Then I'm going to go over here, draw his cheek. It's really small, curved, straight line. Over here, small, curved here. And let's work more on his head before we go to his body, okay? Gonna start over here. And it's gonna go pretty high. It's gonna go like over here. It's gonna go like over here. It's gonna be behind his back. So we're gonna draw a straight line down for the I hope that was easy enough for you to follow. I'm gonna fix a couple of lines here. I'll say I want the lines in the eye here thicker, a little bit thicker. There you go. I think that looks a lot better. And then let's say the line over here on the side of the face a little bit. But yeah, Tweety's an awesome character from Looney Tunes. I used to watch Looney Tunes constantly. I haven't watched it lately, but they're great cartoons. They still hold up too, like when you watch them. When you watch them, it's still kind of like, wow, you know, this is awesome. They're still funny. But yeah, also, if you like what I do here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so it actually tells you when I post. I post 3 times every single weekday. Check out the schedule. The schedule is in the banner, so go check that out. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully you have a great time. Say hi to me in the comment section if you got this far, then I'll know you got this far, and I will say hi back.